Today, I will discuss what is array and its syntax. First, what is array? An array is a data structure that store fixed size equal collection of elements of the same data type. It allows for efficient storing and access multiple values under single variable name. With individual element identified by numerical index, arrays are generally stored in continuously memory location, meaning elements and placed next to each other in memory. But the index is start with 0 and so on. The syntax of array is the specify for declaring and initializing array can vary slightly between programming language, but the core components remain consistent. First is the data types. The data types is that the array will store like int, float, char, string. All elements in given array must be on the same type, like array. The identifier name given to the array used to refer to the entire collection of elements. And second is array size. An integer value indicating the number of elements the array can hold. This typically specified within the square bracket. Like kahit anong number, basta may bracket. In some language, if you use initial the array at declaration, the size can be inferred by the compiler. Like value 1, value 2, value n. A common separated list of values enclosed in curly brace used to initialize array elements at the time of declaration. Accessing array elements. Individual elements within an array are accessed using their index, which typically start from 0 for the first element. And the next element is 1 and so on. So, if you want to code, your first number is specifically 0. We have an example here. First is initializing and declaring an array. First, we define what is int. Mean, this is the array will be storing integers. Number, name of the array. And inside of the curly bracket is the values of the array. And next is accessing array elements. At index 0 to 4, it is the index 0, index 1, index 2, at index 3, and index 4. And the third process is printing the value. Like this, system.out.println first element plus the index that you want to print. And if you done you can now see your output. Yes, done, run to file. Now, you can see the output. The index that I have put is 0, 1, and 2. So, 100, 200, and 300 the number that we output. Because index 0, index 1, and index 2. If we change the number of index, we'll change the output. Like, we put 4. We can see the output is changed. The 200 now is become 500 because index 4. And the second Second example is you can change the number into a letter. Like first is we change the integers int. We change at stringing cut kung tudyain. Stop. I have another example that I coded, but it is a letter. So we'll see the output is an name or an object, like Anna, Mark, and John. And if you want to use an other name, like my name. First, we have use quotation. First. So, if we print the output is an name because it is an string code. So, Anna, Mark, and John. That's the output. But if you want to change, you can change in the index. Like me. I want to change Mark in my name. So, if we see, it replaced my name in Mark's name. So, if we not put an index, the code will not be run. So, it's important to use an index if you create an array code. So, that it's. Thank you for watching, guys.